Hello, this is Steve with S&K Pool out of Addison, Illinois in the United States, and the guys from Civil Storage Solutions asked me if I would take some pictures of all the tools that I carry in my toolbox. And I was like, well, you know, it's going to be a little bit hard to do that and really kind of show the depth of what this toolbox holds because of the way I organize my tools. So I told them I'd make this short little video for them. And so that's an 8-drawer unit there. 8 drawers, 24 inches wide, weighs in at 250 pounds, empty. Each drawer holds 450 pounds. When I was looking for a toolbox, just kind of to show you the scope of what I was doing. So where that toolbox sits now is there was an 18-inch wide floor-to-ceiling cabinet, open cabinet that I stored a lot of my hand tools in. Everything was kind of all over the place. I also had several bags that were all over my truck that held a lot of my bigger tools that would not fit in my toolbox. So those are the bags that I was able to take off the truck because I was able to put them in that toolbox. So the other thing is that before I had only 3 drawer units, not 6 like I have now. So on top of the 3 drawer unit, I had 2 3-drawer toolboxes. Again, with some of my bigger tools in them. Those toolboxes were not meant to be in a van, so they ended up imploding, and that's when I ended up on my hunt to look for a toolbox, and I ended up finding this, which was a real blessing. So let's take a closer look and see what we got. So this whole thing is made of steel, which is, you can obviously see, because everything's magnetic that holds onto it, which is really, really awesome. So I can just take some of my socket sets, magnetic trays, stuff like that, throw it on there. I've also got some little shelving holders there that I bring to the job site with me to hold nuts and bolts. So let's take a look inside. So the first drawer is a lot of my impact stuff, all my 1/2-inch stuff, extensions, ratchets, adapter sets, whatnot. All fits in there real nice. Thing sounds like a vault when it shuts. Next drawer down, I've got some more impact, 3/8-inch impact swivels, some 1/2-inch hex, 1/2-inch chrome. I've got some midget wrenches. It just goes on and on. Extensions, very long ratchet, 1/2-inch ratchet, Knipex Cobra pliers, and there's more stuff under this as well. Some more chrome, some more magnetic adapters, extensions, very long extensions. Third drawer down. So I got some specialty tools here that I use in my industry. This one here pulls some hydrostatic relief valves out of the bottom of pools. I got some more specialty stuff here. I got some midget ratcheting Mac wrenches, chain vice grips. So the way I organize some of my tools is you're going to see a lot of these bags. And everything is labeled of what's in the bag. So all I got to do is just grab a bag and I can go into the job site with it, or I can send somebody back to the truck to go grab a bag of stuff. So here we have a couple bags here, some angle wrenches, some open end socket wrenches. Got some combination wrenches, lineman's pliers I think are in here, maybe not. They're somewhere. Next drawer down. So this is probably one of the drawers that I go to quite a bit. Again, everything's in bags. So I got some metric hex. Like 3/8-inch ratchets, adjustable wrenches, all my 1/4-inch drive, shallow, deep, extensions, some mini screwdrivers, 1/4-inch ratchets, 1/4-inch sockets, both shallow and deep, plus extensions. I got some more Mac ratcheting wrenches. Got my Milwaukee cordless ratchet. Next down we get some bigger tools. Got my couple 18-inch rigid pipe wrenches, very long chain pipe wrenches, pry bars, strap wrench. You know, and the box really, I mean, it's full, but it's not over full. So down here, these are tools that I don't use quite a bit, so that's why they're a little bit further down. This is a wrench to take a lid off of a Pentair sand filter. Got some sheet metal snips, crimpers. This is another specialty tool to take a lid off a pump. We got some snap-on chisels, Matco files, hammers, handsaw. More files here, some snap-on files. So next drawer down, I got some more bags of stuff. So we got, again, we have flat blade screwdrivers. We got Phillips head screwdrivers in here. We got a kit that contains all the bits, all 1/4-inch bits. Some pliers, anything plier related. Ring spreaders. Scrapers under here. There's the lineman's pliers. Dead blow hammer. Longer screwdrivers, cabinet screwdrivers. It just goes on and on. These things, it's just amazing how much this thing holds. Just a couple pairs of gloves. What do we have here? We got vice grips here. Under that, we got nut drivers. And last drawer down, I got another set of gloves. Dead blow hammer, extension chain, another pipe wrench, really big adjustable wrench. I think these are a 24-inch pair of Knipex Cobra pliers, small sludge, rubber hammer, mallet, pry bar. It just goes on and on. So basically, this thing held 2 3-drawer toolboxes worth of stuff, plus a whole cabinet that was there. It held it, plus these 4 bags that were all around the truck. So the nice part is everything is in one central location. So I can go to that box and whatever I need is all there, and I'm not searching for stuff anymore. So nice job, guys. Super happy with it. Check you later. Bye.